Hello everyone, welcome to flowindata channel, and in this video we are going to learn how to validate email in PHP. So let's begin. First of all, let's make the variable email. Let's put here data flowindata @flowindata.com. So this is our variable which holds the email. Now let's see if the given email is valid one or not. So in the if condition, we will write filter underscore var function, and inside of this we will provide the email, and then we will do filter validate email. So if the email is valid, then we will write email is valid, okay, else echo email is not valid. Okay, so save this, reload it. You can see flowindata @flowindata.com is valid. Let's change this and let's put hash over here instead of dot. So reload it, then you can see this email is not valid. So it's a very simple and clear concept of PHP. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next tutorial.